Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am in Tucson, Arizona. Let me let you see my face. I am meeting up with a fellow YouTuber and Instagrammer. Y'all know her. If you don't, go follow her because her page is way cooler than mine. Becca from DeLaPlants. So I am meeting up with her at one of her favorite plant shops called Green Things in Tucson, Arizona. Stay tuned. Come along with us. Okay guys, I am at Green Things Nursery in Tucson, Arizona. This place, guys, incredible. Like, you guys know what the Chicago nurseries look like, and this looks nothing like the Chicago nurseries that I'm used to shopping at. So I'm really excited, and I'm even more excited because I have somebody special with me today, and it is Becca from DeLaPlants. You guys know who she is. We are going to be doing a little, kind of like a little shop with me, I guess. Yeah. So we're going to take you along some shopping and just to kind of check out this nursery and kind of see what they have to offer, because I'm excited because it's one of her favorite places.
Oh yeah, it's a great spot. There's so much stuff, tropicals, succulents, cacti. Maybe those are the same thing. I still haven't figured that out.
And you know, I treat them the same, but they're not the same. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
They're the same. We'll call them the same.
But there's a lot to see here.
Yes, I'm excited.
Yes.
Look at how big this tropical portion is in of itself. And I mean, this is like a fraction of it. So let's see if we can get through it.
They're literally just sitting in here.
They're just propagating them.
And there's no soil.
Wow, but they're growing. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow. That's what I'm gonna do in my house. I'm just gonna get a big bowl, throw all of my dead Echeveria. They don't throw anything away. Yeah. I can appreciate that. Oh my god, and it's healthy too. It's not even like leggy.
No.
It's huge.
It's huge. Oh, I kind of want it.
Oh, get it. That.
Isn't it so cool?
It's huge.
And there's two little babies coming up out of it.
So, oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty. Oh god,
It's hot.
It's hot, but you're used to it. I'm not. I'm gonna get this. I don't know what it is, so we have to ask somebody. Silver dollar? I don't know.
That's not.
It's
no,
not it?
It's not a silver dollar. It's what you were saying earlier, like KALANCHOE.
Oh, KALANCHOE? KALANCHOE?
That's what it is.
Okay, cool. That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Cool.
Ooh, they're so pretty.
Hey guys, that's it. We had so much fun shopping around. It was so great to finally meet you. I
Yes,
felt
it
like I
was.
already knew her just based on your YouTube content.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It felt so natural.
It did, but it's great to finally meet you and make a in real life plant friend. So yes, you guys should actually try to link up with fellow YouTubers, Instagrammers, and make plant friends in real life. Because you know the internet can be a little crazy, right?
Yeah.
But anyway, I'm gonna do a haul when we get home to show you exactly what I got, and we'll be posting this video soon. I'm so excited.
Oh yeah.
Okay, just a little clip of what I brought home. How cool is this planter? This is made in Mexico, $11. Becca picked it out. I think she has probably the same one. Probably not exactly the same since they're all hand painted, but I thought it was awesome. I had to get it. I also got this old man cactus that I've been wanting. I have a silver sword cactus, or a silver torch cactus, but this one just looks so cool, and it's fat and fuzzy and spiky. And then I got this KALANCHOE, and I'm pretty sure that these are aerial roots. I don't know, but it's crazy how they're just growing out of everywhere, and there's so much new growth down there. So I'm excited to get this potted up. Right now it's in a cover pot because I need soil, but that is it.
It's so fun.
All right, guys, see you in my next one.
Bye.
Bye.